Carry on. You have me. Okay. You recording this? I just can't see now. I'm all steamed. I can't see.
You're taking a deep breath. It's Make It month 12. Kerry's here today.
Hello.
Being sensible as always. We have been being sensible because we've been doing casting, so we've been safe.
Yeah.
But we've also stop making cow farts on the chair.
Carry on.
Hi, it's Make It month 12. Kerry's here today, and she's not crying from the fumes. Crying because we're being silly. But we've been doing some casting, and we tried sand casting with Delft clay, with silver and with pewter. We tried cuttlefish casting, so I made the vegan chop up some old fish bones. And you've done some pewter casting previously, so can you do a little show and tell with these?
So about last month I did a pewter casting workshop, so using sand. I got a little medicine bottle there, a little Lego cat, and my favourite Superwoman. I refuse to call her Supergirl. Can't you see it there? I made her into a necklace.
And pewter's good because it's much lower temperature, isn't it? You don't have to get anywhere near the same amount of heat. Then we had to go at pewter casting a little course, which worked quite well, and that was in the cuttlefish. But we've just tried having another go with the silver. Exactly the same idea, but it didn't go all the way down into the mould. So what we found is if there's any air trapped in things or gases from the molten metal, they can stop things getting all the way down to the bottom. Or sometimes it's gravity stops things getting all the way down. You haven't got enough metal to push it into the mould. Sometimes it's the metal's not hot enough. There's a lot of different things. And
or I miss the hole.
Or you miss the hole because you can't see anything when wearing the welder's goggles. So it's still a little bit hit and miss, but we've got some nice things out of it as well, which we'll do a little show and tell next. What was your favourite?
I think the acorn came out really well. Wasn't it? We tried it twice.
Yeah, so the first time we tried it that way down, didn't we, in the mould, and it didn't, well, it did the equivalent of that, where we ended up with just a little sprue nubbin. And then the second time we did it lengthways, so it was a shallower cast, and it worked perfectly, didn't it?
It's just a nice shape.
Yeah.
Nice size.
Weighty. And then the first one we did was a little button, and that came out really nice. It didn't completely fill, can't pick it up, but it still got a lot of pattern and detail on it, which was really nice. And then you did that one.
Did a dog biscuit.
So all these were in the sand, weren't they? These were all sand casting, because this in particular a little biscuit wouldn't be hard enough to push into cuttlefish.
Yeah, did we try that?
No, we only used really hard things with that. What do you think what was the hardest bit and what was the easiest bit?
I think just trying to get the object into the sand and then getting the right channel, like the right size channel, so you got a big enough gap for the silver to pour into.
Yeah. But equally, if it's too big, then you end up having to use way more metal, and you've got way more to cut off. So it's a fine line, isn't it? But what did you find much difference between when you did it previously with the pewter and the silver?
In terms of the actual casting side, the same. So it's just more the melting of the silver. Just takes a bit longer.
Longer and hotter as well. So you just got to be more careful, because the pewter, although it's hot when it hits something, it's less likely to cause a fire. It still could, but it's less likely compared to how hot the silver gets and the torches needed. What's your favourite thing about this wearing the welding goggles?
They make me laugh.
Did you take a selfie and change your profile as soon as you put them on?
I did, yes. I feel like I'm in the 1920s and I'm going flying. So,
The only downside is we got. Bye! Bye!
Bye!